All right, it's Wednesday. And as I mentioned last week, they were going to de escalate this war. Now, whether it's actually being de escalated or just the rhetoric, it doesn't actually matter. What matters is market perception. Market perception is that the war is de escalating. Is it true or not? Once again, doesn't matter. The effects on the oil futures market is being shown as if they're actually believing it. The market is somewhat believing it, like they always believe it. Now, is it true this time? Who knows? Doesn't matter. The market believes it because oil futures have been going down. Our treasury yields have been going down as well. So the 5-year bond yield was getting closer and closer to 3.3 last week, crashing down below 3.2, making its way to 3.15. So a bit of a change there, which is good, stopping the parabolic increase that we were having and now slowly tempering back. Once again, this could flip at any time because all this talk could be nonsense, and we could wake up Friday at a new war again. Or should I say the tensions escalating again? Easily can happen. But they did need to start getting those oil prices down. They did need to start getting treasury yields down, which is borrowing costs down. And also, they needed to start changing the Fed's outlook a little bit. And as I've mentioned in my newsletters recently and also in my videos, that the odds of a rate hike from the Federal Reserve, it was heavily in favor of occurring in September, that they were going to hike rates in September, something the Trump administration does not want. But now the odds are getting closer and closer to 50-50. I have a feeling when jobs data starts to come out, these numbers will change a little bit more, tighten up a bit more, and get a little closer to maybe a rate hold by the Fed in September. Not guaranteeing that they won't hike rates at the end of this year, sometime this year, but it looks like September might actually sneak by without one. But that being said, you know, the Trump administration does not want a rate hike from the Fed, and anything can happen. We don't really know. And as I've said earlier in this video and in previous videos, all these headlines, all this news about the war and what's going on, it doesn't really matter what's actually going on. It's just the perception of what's going on, right? If the markets buy the perception of what's going on, then there'll be action in one direction versus another direction. That's just how it works.